Casper!
Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In honor of the first day of October, I will be sharing the simplest Halloween movie night snacks inspired by this scene in Casper, Breakfast with Ghosts. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Because today's movie night snacks are going to be full of sugar and very unhealthy, the boys ate their dinner first. How cute are their Halloween pajamas? And after dinner, we're going to get started on the movie night fun. But today's video is actually in collaboration with a bunch of creative ladies here on YouTube, and it was organized by the GOAT herself, Hearth and Apron. All of their channels and videos are linked in the playlist in the description box below. In that scene of Casper was serving Stretch, Fatso, and Stinky a platter of a bunch of junk. So I really wanted to play off of that and kind of make like an abundant dessert board. So we're going to start off by doing the only thing that's going to take any effort in this video and making some white chocolate covered strawberries, and these are going to be little ghosts. So we're going to put these little white chocolate melts in a bowl, put that in the microwave, and then simply dip our strawberries. I'm going to cut my strawberries in half because I find that eating a whole chocolate covered strawberry is difficult for kids, so just cutting them in half just makes it so much easier, and it also cuts the time to do the whole thing in half, literally. So once we get them dipped in the chocolate, you'll see we'll add the little eyeballs, and the great thing about this is that it doesn't have to be perfect because it's Halloween and everything can be just a little messed up. Even though strawberries definitely give summer vibes on their own, when you really think about it, the juice is red, they're sweet, kind of like nature's candy. It's kind of, you know, it could work for Halloween. And I think for this project, when a little bit of the red is peeking through and the juice of the strawberry is left over on the surfaces, it definitely looks like blood. So Halloween vibes. Little project I am doing took me all of 2 seconds. So I just Googled some pictures of ghost faces, and I am taking a clear plastic cup and drawing a ghost face on the plastic cup. And we're going to put vanilla ice cream in these cups later. So the entire cup is just going to look like a little ghost. Here are the pre-packaged working single mom friendly items that are going to be going on our dessert board. So we're just going to get that started. I'm using a wooden cutting board that I've had forever. I think it was from either Marshall's or Home Goods, one of those. And assembling these items. My 4-year-old, as you saw earlier, helps me bake these cookies while also taking a couple bites. I caught him on camera, caught him in 4K. And we're just going to put our little strawberry ghost on here as well. And we cannot forget the popcorn. I got these little popcorn cups from the Dollar Tree. I am putting some ice in this little bucket that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this for their juice boxes. It's little stuff like this that doesn't take a lot of effort but gives it like an over-the-top look. So clearing off dinner, wiping the table down, and getting everything set up. our little Casper setup. Honestly, I think you can just use this little snack dessert board for any Halloween movie that you want. I've only added 2 little touches that customized it for the movie that we were watching, but it is super easy, super simple, and you can literally put this together in less than 10 minutes, honestly. Be sure to check out Hearth and Apron and all of the other ladies who participated in this collab. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!